I'm just checking to see that they went in there with a mirror. When I was putting this in with this hand, I put this hand down here and kind of had to push it to get those to go in, because you can also afterwards look inside there and make sure that it looks sealed properly at the bottom. There we go. Just make sure you got it sealed down there. For this piece that goes here, there's rubber here, and then on this one there's rubber on the inside, so I just use some silicone spray to make sure, it just kind of help these not dry out, and also it helps it slide back in a little bit easier. So yeah, you just line these up at the back. And when you're pressing these down, that one went in, but sometimes you gotta just wiggle this to get it to go all the way. It's right back. Line those up. Just put this on. Just line it up in the tracks. Yeah, these can be a little tricky. Sometimes you gotta kind of press it down to get it to actually lock under the little plastic piece. I just thought I'd mention that these plastic locking pins, they can get brittle, I guess, since these cars are getting older. There's actually 2 of these that hold the intake manifold on under here, and the bottom part that has the tab broke on one of those. So I thought I'd just mention that in case you wanna just skip doing that part. It's broken, but it stays in there. I mean, once you push it down, they don't really work their way up, but there's a chance you might break the pin if you're not, or the little tab if you're not delicate. But you can avoid it by removing this same metal clip here, and then I've done it this way before, where I remove this one and unscrew this, and then I just take this piece out and turn it, and then I take engine air filter housing cover and this piece off as one, so then you don't have to mess with the pins. So there's a couple ways you can take it off. I did this side the exact same way, just took the metal clip off and these. The only difference on this side is you do have this one coolant hose that runs over it, so you can move this around, just, you know, don't get too crazy with it. Just don't forget this small T20. It's hidden by the windshield washer fluid cap, so I actually forgot it when I was taking it off. I tried to pull this off and I realized, oh, I forgot about that. Taken this off a million times, but it just stays hidden under there. Babe, what's the deal?
I'm not trying to piss everybody in the neighborhood off, that's what.
Over 3. Hold on. All right. Yeah.
That was over 3.
What was that?
It was over 3. It was. I watched it.
Over 3K?
No.
It's pretty, gets pretty raspy, pretty nice.
It sure does.
It's crispy.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye.